Hi all, welcome to another Play Chess Banter Blitz. So it's approaching 7:30. I just want to say hi on the stream chat there. Okay, I'm hoping to wait for my preview to happen. Alright, let's go on the 3-minute. I'll play e3 against any. So I'm going to try and weaken the light squares with this bishop exchange. This does mean that I think later e4, okay, that's been ruled out. But this structure means I think I can weaken the dark squares. In fact, I'll go back to play bishop e3. Treat it like a Dutch stonewall. Make these dark squares a bit weaker and press through with c5 and b5, I think. Oh, that's very aggressive, but I'm going to go for a minority attack. So I'm hoping this minority attack is going to be interesting. So I'm remembering, I remember looking at a game of Kasparov against Schultz in Dutch Stonewall territory. With, I think Kasparov crashed through later to the 7th rank with both rooks, but I think it might have featured a minority attack. It doesn't seem as though I've got any clear targets at the moment. F2 is a vulnerability, so let's take her maybe. Okay. Oh, I have to protect F2. Hold on. I think I'm dropping F2. That's not good news, is it? Let's play Queen B1 just to hold the rook. I don't want to drop F2 in a hurry. Can I play this or not? No, it looks as though I'm not getting much here. Hold on a sec. If a knight came into f3, I'd be dead. But in the meantime, I do have one or two moves. So a knight coming to f3 would be the end of my position here. It is a concern, this lockdown. But I'm looking at bc and queen b7 coming up. Does that give me some optimism? bc, queen b7. Okay, that does seem to be causing my opponents to take some time here. And sort of knight maneuver like this, I have to move the pawn, knight g5 to f3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves. That would be pretty bad news. But in the meantime, here we go. Alright, now rook f2 could be dangerous. If I get rook a1 to a7, but I'm thinking rook f2, king f2, queen h2 is unnecessary hassle. What if I just played queen e7? Just going for the e6 pawn. Isn't that another downside of the opponent's position? Potentially. Now if I played h4 here, just to stop any tactics. So g takes king h2, or have I made things worse? Okay. I think this is fine now, because I've got that a file to crash down. Okay, let's reinforce. Oh, my f2 is dropping off here. What am I talking about? Whoops. Okay, I'm in trouble, but let's protect f2 here. But mind you, knight d3, f4, ef, knight f3. I've got the clock advantage. Keep the rook on the 7th. Let's take on there. Right, now that seems interesting, as I can set up a mating net soon, potentially. Or is rook e2 very dangerous? Okay, I'll stop rook e2 just in case. Now, whoa, okay. This is very dangerous. Hang on. There's a check here, hold on. There's so much pressure there. That was a very precarious game indeed, very precarious. Something went badly wrong. Is this possible? Knight d5. If I play e5 for cd and bishop b4, there are a few tactical issues here. What about this one? I'm going to play cd and bishop b4, I think. Although, have I got enough time for this? Knight b5, I think there's a check on a5. Do I get chance for bishop b4 here? It seems as though this might be okay. Now, I'm not entirely sure actually. Okay, let's take that. It could be okay. Oh, there's knight d6. Oh, I see. No, maybe it's not. It's going to be winning that rook. Alright, I don't seem to be that much material down though at the moment. I wanted to avoid issues with bishop g5, and also I wanted to protect g7 there, so I want to be able to play queen f5 here. I think. Queen f5. I've not been given a chance yet. If I play here, there's a check and there's a back row thing. So why not this instead? Check king g8. I think I wanted to keep the rook on the back row. Now if takes here, okay. Oh, this is scary, isn't it? The check is scary. Right, is there knight e5? If I can play knight g6, is it too late? Rook f7, there's rook d8. Oh. Oh, that's nice. Okay, there's a back row tactic. Or is there not? Hang on. Just managed to lose a piece. Bishop g7 is intolerable. That's great. Great. Oh, that's unfair, this game. I was doing well, I thought, out of the opening. That's really unfair. I have to say, totally unfair. I didn't deserve that, I believe. But anyway, maybe, okay, it was a good attack. I didn't defend very well. Okay, my fault. If there was defensive moves, I don't know. Maybe there should have been. The rook on the 7th is always dangerous, though. Knight d5 here for knight f6 and queen f7. Now knight d5, queen d5. I want f7. Alright, and there's queen f6. Right, what about knight b6 instead then? Knight f7. What about knight f7? Oh, this is going to be interesting. Knight b6 for knight a8. I'm just thinking knight f6, there was queen f6. No, knight is stranded. Hang on. The knight is stranded or not? No, it's not. This looks as though it could be dangerous. Let's go over here. Taking a knight e4 is dangerous. Yeah. G4 might be a move. Knight takes. That's G4 move. Or maybe just Queen G4 is. G4, Knight F4, EF, Bishop F, Bishop F, Rook F, King moves. Oh, let's try it. What about here? I can take that. Hold on. There's a flaw with that. I can take that bishop. Glad I noticed that. Otherwise, bishop e4 is pretty bad news. Cool. Okay. Let's try this. Right, I just want castle d6, h6, king h7, f5, f4, that's the plan. So castle d6, here, king h7, f5, f4, it's sort of, I like that plan, if I can get it in, if I can get that plan in. Checking my email. Right, okay. So, where's that wall here? He just resigns. Why does he resign? Okay, that's weird. Okay. Oh, rook h4. Then knight g4. It's going to be dangerous. Alright, he can play this. I can take on d4. It's a centre pawn. If he doesn't, I think knight g4 will be crashing through. Maybe I'm wrong. What about just taking on... yeah. Can't I just take on d4 here? I'll be on that rook. Let's see, knight g4, knight g4, queen g4, rook h2, king e1. I think maybe simpler as knight d4, bishop d4. Okay, let's just do this. Bishop d4, rook g2, knight g2, knight g4, hg, queen g4. Yeah. Knight d4, bishop d4, rook g2, knight g4, or even maybe rook g4 there. Fg, queen g4, king h2, queen h4 is mate. Let's check that. Knight d4, bishop d4, rook g2, rook g4, fg, queen g4, king h2, queen h4 is mate. Let's play this anyway. This was on. Okay. Oh, do we get another game with him? Okay. So knight g4 is dangerous. Okay, I'm on the receiving end. Yeah, I'm on the receiving end. Oh, crikey. I can't see how I can get out of this attack. How do I actually get out of this attack? Try this. He's got takes on knight g4 and stuff. If he took that, okay. Okay, the way he's played it, there is g4 here, right? Okay, so what about this for queen c3 and then f6? Queen c3 and f6. Okay, there's no c5 just yet. Okay, b4, f6, knight f6, g5. If g takes g5. Okay, I think I want to play a combination of maybe b4, stop c5, keep the battery going for f6. Okay, knight c4 is not a big deal. Okay, that's not a big deal. Just f6 for a moment. Just stop this knight from doing stuff. Let's restrict the knight. Now there is bishop c5 to e7. But you can go back with knight d7 here. I think I'm in good shape though at the moment. Hold on, b6, queen c6. I don't want c5 happening. Probably I want e3 and double the rooks. Maybe rook a2 to f2. Either rook f2, rook f1, or rook a2 to f2. Doesn't matter. e3, rook f2, rook f1 does the same difference. Right, a5 coming up. Let's see if he's going to prepare with b6. Maybe I'll just try and discourage again. So ab, rook a8, rook a8, queen c6. Knight b6, there's no c5. ab, yeah, rook a8. Let's double the rooks here for a moment. Right. So his centre's dangerous. What about rook f4 here? Change in tact. Queen moves f7, f8. e4 is a little bit in trouble here, surely. Okay then, I'll have to do a different plan. Although his c-pawn's dangerous. It's going to tie me up. There's queen a3 here, I've just noticed. Okay, cool. Yeah. Can we try and get a different opponent now? Let's see. Okay. Classic. Pretty classic so far. Right. It's dangerous. Oh, this is truly dangerous. Okay. Oh, crikey. I can't afford to give up this dark square bishop. Oh, it's going to prompt me to. This looks like a disaster. I think this is a disaster. Yeah, if he gets in these dark squares, I'll be out. Don't seem to have much play. I don't want to be too negative about the position, but he's in control here. I can't leave. Okay. Yeah, this is the thing. Okay. Queen f6. Okay, hang on. I can start Queen f6 with knight d5 for a moment. I would hope. Can I play Queen e7 or I lose the queen? I'll try Queen e7. Oh, I'm down to 28 seconds. 28 seconds. Alright, that was very tricky. I thought my king was on the way out there. Close position. So the exchange up might not be a big deal for a while. If at all. If he takes here, I get some counterplay. with rook a8, rook a2. Surely, my king's now holding d6. So I'm surprised with what he's done. Okay, it gives me a bit of counterplay, I think. I stop a4 with rook a3. Because otherwise a4 and I don't double the rooks on anything. If he gets in a4 there, I don't know what I've got. Got to be able to double the rooks on a2 without that moving to a4. And tremble here. Can I get me in Zugs, man? Okay, cool. Alright, so what's happening here? So knight c3 and f4 if he moves. Oh boy. I'll have to wait here. Okay, check the email again. Have I picked a very slow mover? I seem to have picked a very slow mover here, so if you've got any chess questions, feel free to ask. If you want to kill the time here, I think this is a very slow game. So any chess questions on stream, feel free to ask. I have a relationship with Play Chess that I use their software and videos if I want, and I did this show as part of that relationship actually, from way back. Anything else? So that was the question, is Play Chess sponsoring me? It's just a kind of mutual, okay, whatever. Yeah, it's a mutual thing. Any chess related questions? Okay. I think he's just going to lose on time at this rate, this guy. Okay, I've played all sorts of sports. Okay. Is Play Chess €30 a year? I don't know, no idea. If you get Play Chess, the Fritz, I think you get a year free if you get Fritz. You get a year of play chess free anyway. Yeah, what's this? Is this guy... that's a bit unusual, isn't it? Okay. Okay. It's not suicide chess, is it? Otherwise, I'll be in trouble here. If I've accidentally gone into the wrong game variant. I mean, that might be the case. Yeah. Okay, so... can I play the Bomb Cloud opening for Banter? Okay. Where's Bomb Cloud go? Ah, alright. Is it like... What is the Bomb Cloud? It's not this, is it? What? I don't even know. I've forgotten what the Bomb Cloud is. Sorry. Is it something like this? No, I think I've just played a terrible opening move. Okay. Now, you might think, how do I play this? E3 King. Oh, I see. Yeah, I was thinking about something else there. Okay, that's ruined this game. Okay, I'm not even playing Bomb Cloud here. Oh well. Is this another really like slow mover or something? What's going on now? So, I think I need an abort option for these games. Tonight. No abort option. Ooh. Right, time to have some water. It is pretty hot here in London at the moment. We're having, I don't know if it's this week only, some hot weather. Yeah, it's amazing. But we're having some hot weather. It's incredible. So, any other questions at the moment? Which city do I live? London. Anything else? Anybody play over the board chess? I know it's not the over the board season. I'm just wondering if any of you play over the board chess there on stream. Okay, I've clearly confused him with f6. Spent like nearly 3 minutes. I don't know why this guy's not moving. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's get another game, I think. Please, can I have a different opponent? So F7 was targeted. So I'm going to play for a few more minutes. It's 8:15 now. He's just blundered this piece. Okay. Okay, that was very generous to lose that piece. Okay. This is a very strange evening. How comes these evenings, when they're strange in a certain direction? It's like they're themes for a particular strangeness. You know? I don't know what it is. It just happens. Like, this is a strange evening now. With these players. Strange. Okay. Don't tell me he's going to allow 92 next. Yes, he allows 92. Strange. All right. Let's do another game. Maybe okay, that's fair enough. There might be an exchange sack here, which is dangerous. We'll find out. Oh, okay. Could have done an exchange sack. I think it would have been interesting. I guess I'm worse. Yeah. Yeah, I look to be worse because he's got this good pawn there on d5. However, there is this b file to play with for a moment. Does he have a deadly kingside attack here, maybe? Okay, let's get out of this pin. Don't tell me I'm going to get hacked to death. Hold on a sec. Okay. It's starting to brew up to be quite dangerous now. The check. Actually, because e4 is a technical detail, isn't it? Oh, I thought he'd go for perpetual check. But this pawn is like potentially winning. Okay. I've always wanted to have an equal rook and pawn ending. That's great. Can I actually? Is it actually even possible to win? Try and win this? I don't know. Is there any ways of trying to win this? Or am I just going to lose? I want to just check if there's a way of winning this. Or losing it. There's a way with rook c6 and g4, mate, to lose it. Okay, I can lose it. And the reverse applies, rook a2 and g4. I wonder if he'll notice that the reverse applies. So g4. Yes. Okay. I think I'm going to offer a draw, actually. I think he deserves it. Let's not push anything. Or shall I? I did see Magnus Carlsen flag someone, but there's a bullet tool. I'm going to lose on time, aren't I? Hang on, I think I'm going to lose on time here. Hilariously, I'm going to lose either the pawn or on time. I think the draws. I think he's not going to accept the draw now. I'm either going to lose on time, or okay, I'm fighting for a draw now. It's official. I'm going to lose it. Oh, this is a classic. This is a real classic. I think I've lost on time. No, not there. Yep. Oh, I should have just offered a draw, man. I should have just offered a draw. That was sick. I apologise. I apologise. I actually got outplayed. It was quite an achievement to get outplayed, though. I mean, okay, I sort of set a trap, but it was quite an achievement to get outplayed. Okay, I don't want to end on that note. This will be the last game after that. Oh, jeez. Why didn't I just offer a draw? Saves a lot of this. Ridiculousness. It did weaken e6. If he takes here, I think. Oh, there's Queen G6. If he took, there's Queen G6 immediately. Now here, okay. Is my queen just getting trapped? Yep. My queen's just getting trapped. Okay, he didn't want it for some reason. Okay. Oh, this is another fantastic classic game. Right, if he took here, I'd take that. If he takes here, I'd take here. So I've avoided losing a piece, but that wasn't my greatest achievement, I think, just to avoid losing a piece. Let's try and avoid getting mated with Rook A1. Is he just queening? Yeah. My knight can't do a damn thing about this. He's just queening. I can't do a damn thing with my knight. Oh, that is a classic. That is just classic. Oh, that is just absolute classic. I'm just wondering, okay, how easy is it for him to win? Probably very, very easy. Okay. Is it very, very, very easy? He's going to queen another. He's spending time for some reason. He's spending too much time. I've just realised. Why is he spending all this time? He's giving me a hope on the clock, I think. Maybe I'm imagining it. Although I somehow doubt it. Oh, I lost on time as well. Oh, that was a really interesting session. I'm off now. I'm clearly, this is okay. Thanks. Until next week. Cheers very much. Thanks very much. Thanks very much.